how to buy a Roblox Robux gift card on Amazon. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. So let's get started. First, open the video of any browser and here make sure that you are signed into your Amazon.com, Amazon.in, and after signing in, what you need to do is that in the search bar you need to search for the Roblox Robux gift card. Here you will get it and here you will get ready of gift card. You need to choose one which you want for the particular amount. After choosing one, click on the particular product over here. Click on the particular link. Once you click on that, it will get you to the product description page. Here you can see all the description about the particular gift code over here. In order to purchase it, you need to click on the buy now that you will see at the right side in orange color. Once you click on it, then it will get you on the payment page, particularly delivery address in which you want that, although it's not needed because it's not a virtual, it's a virtual product. So next thing is that you need to make the payment method. Here if we choose the card option, enter the particular card number and the details of the card, then click on continue. Once you add a particular payment option, here what you need to do is that click on use this payment method and it will verify the payment and your then order is particularly successful. And this is how you can buy a Roblox Robux gift card on Amazon. That's it.